Sweetheart, I've really missed you.
I missed you too. What about the money you promised me?
I will give you.
Give me the money.
Is it the money that is money?
Mom, I'm hungry.
What's going on here?
I don't understand. Why are you holding me, calling me mommy? Are you okay? What is wrong with you?
Mom, I'm hungry.
Why are you calling me mommy? Am I your mother?
Babe, what's going on here?
I don't know. Do I look like your mother?
Yes.
I'm not your mother now.
Why are you calling him? Why are you calling her mom?
Babe,
I don't understand.
Even me, I don't get it.
But you told me you're not married.
Babe, I'm not married.
Let alone having a grown child like this.
Baby, look at me now. Can I bet somebody like this? Eh?
Can
I bet somebody like this? Go and look for your mother. I'm not your
what's
mother.
The problem? Why are you calling? Are you hungry? Do you need money or
maybe
what?
Maybe we should.
He doesn't need money.
Excuse me.
He's right. She is my wife.
Hmm?
Yes.
She's my mother.
You?
Yes.
Young man, what are you saying? I don't know you.
So Happiness, you're not calling me a young man.
I don't understand.
Babe, I don't understand too.
So
Happiness, what's going on here?
Your infidelity has gotten to a point of you calling me a young man in front of your boyfriend, right?
What is your problem? Bring this man out now. What are you doing
Bring
here?
who out?
Go now. I don't know you people. What is all this now? What is all this? What kind of problem is this?
Wait. Happiness, hold on.
wait,
What is going on? Excuse me, sir. Is she really your wife?
Yes, she's my wife. Legally married to me.
Happiness. Wait. Why are you calling me babe? I don't understand.
Don't mind it.
I'm confused here.
I'm telling you.
You told me you are not married.
Believe me.
You told me you don't have children. So what is going on here?
Babe, you have to believe me. I don't know them.
What? Why are you lying?
So who do I believe now? I don't understand what is going on here. This is my girlfriend for over 7 months now, and I can't believe that you would have been deceiving me all this time.
Can you just take a look? I believe pictures doesn't lie.
Hey!
This is our wedding picture. Let me show you when she gave birth to our last child.
Hey! Happiness! Is this not you? Or do you have a twin? Is that not you?
Actually, this happened the day her mother was very sick, and I was rushing back to Ebonyi State to sell a piece of land that I have there. Fortunately, I had an accident, broke my legs. That was why, ever since then, she has been jumping from one man to the other.
From one man to the other.
And she has refused to take care of me as her husband and her children.
Hey, Happiness, how could you do this? In my place, we don't deal with married women. You have put me in a lot of trouble by doing this. Sir, I beg you. Please, forgive me. I did not know she's married. I swear to you, if I knew she was married, I would not even come close to her at all. We don't do this. We don't do this. I'm in a lot of trouble. I have to go to my village and do some very serious cleaning with myself right now. But please, I want you to please forgive me. Please, Happiness. This is wicked. This is wicked. Why? Why would you do this? Why would you abandon your family? What are you looking for?
Even when I was still okay, I provided virtually everything that she wanted. Because of this accident that I lost my job. So since then, eating has become a problem to us.
Sir, please. This is all I have here with me. I want you to please take this from me. For you and the boys. I will find a good time to come and see you again. Please.
It's alright, I hold nothing against you. Right? But you have to keep your word. Because I don't need it. Keep me up.
Sir, please. Please take the money from me, please. For the boys at least.
Don't worry, just give me the money. Promise to give me some money. Give me the
If
money.
I put my hands on you, if I lay my hands on you,
Just give me the money.
it's
now.
over between us.
What about the money you promised
I
me?
don't ever want to see you again. You are a wicked person.
Okay, just give me the money. Just hold the money. Let me.
If you walk,
Just give me the money now. You promised to give me the money. Give me. Emmanuel, wait for me. Let's go home together.